Welcome to Ethereum Mastery with LOVE888LOVE, the Lord of 888. Ethereum is not just another cryptocurrency. It is the foundation of the decentralized future. It powers smart contracts, DeFi, NFTs, and the entire Web3 revolution. With over 1 million validators, Ethereum is now more secure and decentralized than ever. After the merge, Ethereum became over 99% more energy efficient. It is the leading platform for decentralized applications and financial innovation. Billions of dollars flow through Ethereum every single day. From lending and borrowing to trading and yield farming, Ethereum makes it possible. Major institutions and traditional finance are now building on Ethereum. BlackRock, Fidelity, and JP Morgan are already using Ethereum technology. Ethereum is evolving with major upgrades to become faster and more scalable. Layer 2 solutions are dramatically reducing fees and increasing speed. Staking Ethereum allows you to earn passive income while securing the network. It is the most battle-tested and trusted smart contract platform in the world. Owning Ethereum means owning a piece of the decentralized internet. On Binance, you can easily buy, stake, and earn yield on Ethereum. For long-term holding, always move your Ethereum to self-custody. Use hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor and protect your seed phrase. Dollar cost averaging into Ethereum is one of the smartest long-term strategies. Ethereum rewards patience and conviction. It punishes short-term emotional decisions. Combine Ethereum with the 888 abundance mindset, research, discipline, and vision. The next wave of adoption will bring millions of new users to Ethereum. This is your opportunity to position yourself before mass adoption arrives. Ethereum is not just an investment. It is infrastructure for the future economy. From DeFi to real-world assets, Ethereum is leading the financial revolution. Those who understand Ethereum early will benefit the most in the coming years. This is your moment to build wealth with one of the most powerful technologies of our time. Stay informed, stay patient, and stay consistent on your crypto journey. The future of finance is decentralized, and Ethereum is at the center of it. Subscribe to LOVE888LOVE and let's build generational wealth together on the path of 888 abundance.